everyone. It's cold. Now, what are we going to talk about today? Well, what I like to ask is, do we really think it's wise to have two different speed limits for trucks and cars on the freeway? Not all states do this. What I am talking about is places like California. That's a real good example, as well as other places. Most of California, no matter what the speed limit is for vehicles, 70, 65, it is always 55 for trucks or vehicles towing a trailer. There are a lot of big freeways in California, I admit, but there's a lot of California that's just 2 lanes of freeway going in each direction. Highway 5 down the center of California is a great example. As you drive down Highway 5, you've got the trucks all going one speed, around 55, 60 miles an hour. And then you've got the cars that are going at a really high speed, especially out there because it's sort of the open road. It's a more frequent place for speeders. I forgot what the speed limit is now there, but it's like 70. I don't know if it's 75, but no matter what it is, it's much faster than the trucks. And it's just 2 lanes in each direction. So what you end up with is this sort of 2 classes of vehicles on the road, and it's not safe. You've got these trucks lumbering along at 55 miles an hour, and when they want to pass another truck, all those cars are coming down, passing the trucks at 70, 75 miles an hour. All of a sudden they back up behind the one truck trying to pass another truck. It creates all kinds of conflict. I mean, we all know that the flow of the speed of traffic, right? That whole concept of you should try to, stay with the flow of traffic is paramount in driving. And then we go and create these systems where the vehicles are driving at 2 different speeds. Now, as an RVer, you've probably seen this in my previous videos, but I like to drive slow and chill. When I'm on vacation, I don't care so much in that I often just sit in the right lane on Highway 5. Put my cruise control on 55 or 56 miles an hour, which means everyone's passing me and I'm not really having to pass anybody. And that makes it a very relaxing drive for me. I'm just sitting there chilling, listening to music, talking to my wife, enjoying my vacation or my time off. And everyone else is having to drive past me because that's the law. But you have truckers having to pass each other. When you do have to drive past a truck, you almost always have to speed, or else you end up with all these cars behind you. It's just not cool to have a 2-class system on the road, in my opinion. Having vehicles doing radically different speeds, sometimes 20, 25 miles an hour difference, is going to cause accidents, and it does. You see all kinds of craziness out there. Often what happens is one truck starting to pass another truck, so all these cars back up on the left really quickly, and then because there's this huge space on the right, all these cars then move over into the right lane and fill in the space behind the truck, and you end up with just a mess every time. It's the one thing I don't like about driving down Highway 5, especially if I'm driving a car. Like I said, with the RV and the truck, hey, I'm just gonna chill. Everyone else can trip and be bothered about this damn road. I'm just gonna do 55 miles an hour and not think about it. But that's not how it works. But everyone else has to go around me, and that's not my fault. That's how the law is designed. Does that seem smart to you? I know California is not the only one, but they probably started it.
Hello, okay, today?
Yeah, can I get extra large coffee with 3 milk?
Yeah.
That'll be it today. Thank you. And so I ask you, do you think it's dangerous to have 2 vehicles driving at 2 different speeds on the freeway like that? Thank you very much. See ya. So tell me, how do you feel about this? Do you think that we should have trucks and cars driving at 2 different speeds? Does that feel safe to you? So do they have 2 different speeds in your state? And if they do, what do you think? Do you find it frustrating? Do you think it's a good idea? Should trucks be going way slower than cars for safety reasons? I want to hear your thoughts. Please comment below. Appreciate everybody's time. And as we're getting into the holiday season, I'm just going to remind everyone, be extra safe out there. Everyone's out there getting extra distracted already. Christmas shopping, kids on candy. It's a good time for us all to slow down a little and take it safe. See you, everybody.